Hey folks, Greg Roberts here, General Manager in Infiniti Of Melbourne. The all-new 2023 QX60 has arrived. And the best part about buying one from Infiniti Of Melbourne, we do not have a premium price markup over the MSRP. Plus, one other great thing about this vehicle, it comes with 3 years factory scheduled maintenance included at no additional charge. So the only thing you gotta do is put gas in it and drive it for the next year. Stop by and check it out, or check us out online at infinitiofmelbourne.net. I'll see you here.